In Inmoconnect, agents can easily extract their property listings as an XML file. In this video, we will show you how to export an XML from the platform as an agent. To start, go to the left-hand menu and click on Extract your XML feed. On this page, you will see different categories: all My Properties, Collaborated Properties, and Developments. On each of these pages, there is a gray button called Copy URL. This button allows you to copy the XML feed link for that specific category. You can then use this URL to upload the XML file to your own website or other platforms that accept XML feeds. At the bottom of the page, you can see the properties that belong to each category. In the Custom tab, you will find a bright orange button called Generate New Feed. This button allows you to create a new custom XML feed with a selected number of properties. You can select all the properties you want in the custom feed. Once the properties are selected, you scroll to the bottom. There you press on Generate Link. A new pop-up window will appear. You can give the feed a name and press on the bright orange button Generate Link. In the next pop-up, you see a button to copy the link to the XML. Next, you can click on Generate Link. Now it will take you back to the Custom XML page. Here you see the newly created feed. On the right side, you have three options. The first one lets you copy the page. The second one lets you edit the feed. It works the same like making a new feed. You will see the same options. The last option is Delete. Use this to delete any custom XML feed.